Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hassan. In this video, we will learn how to make a simple web page with Python. We will use a module named Flask. Let's start our today's video. It's on Python. We will search in the Google for Flask minimal app. Let's search it. Flask minimal app. Let's read the documentation. Okay, it's fine. Let's copy it. Control C. Now we're going to paste it here. Control V. It will written hello world. We'll write hello. Welcome to code house. Let's run it. There is no problem in your code, but we need to write one more lines to make it live. If for underscore aim oblique mai main to underscore app dot run, and we need to enable debugging here. Debug true. Alright, let's run it again. So our web page is available in this page. Let's copy it. Control C. Let's open Chrome. Control V. Enter. Look, welcome to code house. Let's minimize it. We're going to minimize it also. Let's write here, welcome to code house, and how are you? Let's Ctrl S to save it. Look here, something is changed. Let's refresh it. Look, here is printed, how are you? Think the next line condition is not working, so no problem. Again. So what will change in the code, that will automatically change in the web page. Thank you guys for watching this video. In next video we'll learn how to render template in Python using Flask module. Thank you guys for watching this video.